Hello, my name is Crystal, and I'm back for part two of what I got at the auction, the Tuesday auction today in Garnett, Kansas. You know what? Most people are nice. One guy even said that he was going to split his lottery earnings with me. Of course, he told me like the same story 3 times, so I wonder if he's going to remember that I was the one he was splitting it with. But anywho, I got this weird light that you just shove in the ground. That's kind of cool. I don't know if it works. This bag, okay, continuing on, Jean, who you heard about in part one, didn't want these ties either. They're Shaquille O'Neal. This was a $50 tie. And I like this one more. Obviously, the person did too because it doesn't have the tag on it, so it's probably worn. It's so windy out. Okay. Then this bag of clothes here was in a pile. 100% pure virgin wool. Ooh, it's virgin wool. It's virgin wool. I think I paid $4 for this pile. Everyone was wanting the same stuff as me today. It's so annoying. So annoying. I've seen these for sale. I saw one of these for sale. Oh, it's all ripped. Oh, well, you know, distressed is what it would be called. I can't believe, oh, this is 84, 85. Dang, that was the year I was born. I was 40 years old. No wonder it has a hole in it. I got holes in me too. This vest, everybody's trying to buy the same stuff as me today. It was really annoying. This, vintage, this looks vintage. I might keep this. This is cute. Okay, I got this bag for free. And so there was a pile that nobody bid on. So I went back and looked through it because it looked mostly like junk. But I didn't know that there were diapers in here. I don't know how you tell they're for a little tiny baby. Put them on a dog. My friends have kids. I don't. Anyway, this was also part of the stash of stuff that I went through. This was in there as well with that baby stuff. And this doesn't even look, I don't know if it's even been opened. Maybe it has. Some wipes. Always use wipes. Some Kleenexes. Always use Kleenexes. This tote bag looks like watermelon. Some plastic tumblers. These are good for crafts. I got this Beanie Baby. I got a bunch of teeth stuff, leather cleaner. I got some dry hand cream. Some, oh, look, maybe it'll look like I have a tan. Ha! Anyway, I got all that stuff that you just saw for free. Oh, I'm getting all wrapped up. Okay, and then this final box I got right here. This is so heavy. This is a card catalog of different types of plants. Now, I don't know what one would do with this. I guess, I don't think I can sell this because this weighs at least 30 pounds. And I know because I have that dumbbell that I got. Jeez Louise, that is heavy. Then I got a bunch of, I don't know what you do with it, but maybe you could do a craft project with it or some liquid nails. You never know when you might need that. Oh, I bought this box because he opened this at the very end. No one was buying it. This is kind of scary. Here, it is a telescope, a vintage telescope. I think it's vintage. It looks cool. I'm very scared I'm gonna mess that up, so I'm gonna put that down. This went with the Pokemon stuff that you saw in the first video that I don't want to talk about. I got one of these the other day from a different thrift store and I still haven't tried it and it still sounds disgusting. You break the egg, you pour the egg into this, you boil it, and it turns into a hard-boiled egg without the shell. Can I test? Can I really experiment when eggs are so expensive? I don't know. What else is in this box? An LED flashlight. Can always use a flashlight. A multi-slicer. You know what? You know what these are? I didn't. And you know what I was told? They will come in handy in my next relationship with a man. If you know, you know. If you don't know, I bet you could take a guess. Okay, I got a lot of numbers. I got a sander. Oh, what is this? Favorite hymns. And there's a bookmark, so super favorite. Did they steal this from church? I don't know. I'm glad this was in here because I was just thinking about how I needed another one. Do you realize how many fires just happened the other day? I looked at a map and it was nuts. Oh, shit. Speaking of nuts, I think this is a sharpener, but I'm not sure. Some more liquid nails. I don't know what this is. A fuse. Some letters. Some more weights. It's just me working out all the time. I'm just constantly working out. Look at me. What are these? I don't know. A pizza cutter. Okay. These always come in handy. Oh, I do need another one of those. Brilliant. Thank you. I love that when there's stuff in the box that you were needing to buy from the store and you keep forgetting to add to the list. And then every moment that you're like, oh, I need it, you forget. And there we go. Gifts from the universe. So I think I paid $4 for all that stuff. $2? I don't know. I spent $100 total today. Now that's $38 for those Pokemon that I know nothing about, and $15 for those weights. So there's a big chunk right there. And then the rest, it just adds up over time, you know. All right. Well, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. I might go to a thrift store this week, and then there's another auction on Saturday. So stay tuned.